Good day, my people. Let's watch this video and listen to what this elder from Ikwerre land have to say concerning the identity of Ikwerre people. When he's done talking, then I continue from there.
Igbos who live amongst us never will say we are Igbo people. Most of our people married Igbo women who took time to teach their children Igbo language. During the Eastern region, Igbo was a language that was compulsory mandatory here to be taught in primary school. In my place, there's a story that goes this way, that a man takes his child, his son, to school for registration. The headmaster says, "What is the child's name?" "My child's name is Ovunda." "What is Ovunda?" The headmaster is an Igbo man. "What is Ovunda?" "That's his name." "No, I don't know. I don't understand. What is the meaning of Ovunda?" Ovunda means the heart of the father. The headmaster quickly put the name as Obinna. Automatically, you can see the movement from Ovunda to Obinna. You can imagine what will be happening in other Ikwerre villages like that, where the Igbo is at the helm of affairs. They were in charge of the churches, they were in charge of the schools. And this they did throughout the Ikwerre land. The typical Igbo person, if you are relating with an Igbo person, will not speak your language, will not like to speak your language. Will speak his or her own language to you. You must speak his language. And this happens in the marketplace. And Igbos are all over our markets. If you go to Africa, you see Igbo names. Go to any part of Calabari, you see Igbo names. Aside the Kubotori, that is an Igbo man. There is nowhere in this former Eastern region you will find Igbo names. You know, go in the Igbo names. Why it appears that the Ikwerre is more affected is because of how many of them are in Ikwerre, how many of them were in Ogoni, how many of them were in Boni, how many of them were in Brass.
Okay.
Millions of them were in Port Harcourt, were around Ikwerre. That was why the influence happened to be more here than the rest of the people. There was a man called Akalaka. Akalaka was a Benin warrior who left Benin because the Oba then passed a law that he must not bear a male child until Oba has been able to get a male child. So when his wife gave birth to a boy, he moved in the night and left because Oba won't kill him. So he left with his brother. Some people say it's Ihoroha, some people say it's Ochichi. Whatever it is, both belong to Ikwerre. So he left with him down to Ikwerre, Aoda. From there, Ochichi left, or Ihoroha left to Elele and then expanded. That's one angle. See, Ikwerre is a heterogeneous entity. We all didn't come from one source. This is one source, I just told you. The second source says that from Ishokpo, Wagidi, a Benin warrior, had come before this time we're talking about and established in Ishokpo. Go and read Ishokpo, go and meet the Oba of the head of the Newell Ishokpo. He will tell you, Wagidi is the founder of Ishokpo Kingdom. There was a man called Oduoha. Oduoha was from Urupoko and was the first man to come and establish a community in Emoha, where I come from. You also have example of Olo. Olo is from Abua, not Igbo. Came to Emoha, established in Emoha, formed what we call today Rumuche. And his younger brother formed what we call today Rumohe. Two different villages in Emoha. And also Mbitawon, another village in Emoha. You see, from that man alone, 3 villages. The other one, 2 villages, that is 5. My own village, Roma Akunde. Akunde is a man. This Akunde man is from Omofondele. Most of these people can hardly trace their origin to Igbo land. And you come and tell them they're Igbos. It doesn't make sense. They won't agree. The whole of Odegu community of about 5 villages, of 7 villages, are not from, they say they're from Benin. Now, come to Evo, Woji here. Ezebakabaka has said this several times that we are from Benin. Those Ochichi children that's dispersed, we have formed them. Mbata was wrong, Okuku is wrong, all of them were wrong, Livingstone Uche is wrong, Chimene is wrong, they are all wrong because they live in Ikwerre and like think that they're Ikwerre. There is something like I'm Ikwerre Igbo. Amechi was wrong. There's nothing like I'm Ikwerre Igbo. It doesn't make sense in the first place. Doesn't it make sense? It doesn't make sense. Because Ikwerre is a different entity. Igbo is a different entity. I suggest very strongly, maybe we check marrying Igbo wives. We check it. We check selling of our land to Igbo people. We check it. We check allowing Igbos access to opportunities that are available to Ikwerre people. Admissions, scholarships. They infiltrate all of them. So we have to check all of this. About Ikwerre and other pan-Ikwerre groups like the IPO, IPA, IPF, all of them, they should find a way of checking this infiltration by the Igbo person, the Igbo people in Ikwerre land. So that if we check it, we begin to reduce it. So we can have breathing space. Ikwerre need to breathe.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that Ikwerre man said. Well, everything he's saying there are not true. He's just deceiving the public. Truth not there everything when they talk for that way. He's lying. The reason why Ikwerre people are saying they are not Igbos is just for political reasons. They just want to stay on their own, we stay on our own, we not be Igbo people, this, that. But the entire country knows that you are Igbo. It's enough evidence for you to know that you are deceiving yourselves. According to what the man said, he said that a headmaster changed the name of an Ikwerre boy from Ovunda to Obinna in school. Well, what that headmaster did is totally wrong. That headmaster did something very wrong. Every Igbo dialect is original and equal. The dialect of someone from Nsukka is not better than the dialect of Ukwuani people. It's not better than the dialect of Ika people. It's not better than the dialect of Ikwerre people. It's not better than the dialect of Oba people. It's not better than the dialect of Ichie people. It's not better than the dialect of Ngwa people. You understand? So, any Igbo person who is feeling that his own dialect is superior to another Igbo dialect should stop it, because such things divide the Igbo people. I always say this. We must stop forcing our dialect on other Igbo speaking people. Just as we are normal people, we say Olie, and some other Igbo people say Orie. Orie and Olie is the same thing. So it's wrong to tell me that it's not Olie, it's Orie. It's wrong. Because by saying that, you are proving to be superior to me. Every Igbo person is equal. We must stop making our dialects feel real and original over another Igbo dialect. The way I speak my own Igbo, you should accept it. And the way you speak yours, I will accept it. We are all speaking Igbo in different tongues. Okay, so my Ikwerre people, we did not support what that headmaster did. It's totally wrong. Now, this Ikwerre man here said that Ikwerre people are from Benin, that Akalaka migrated from Benin. Akalaka and Ochichi, his brother, migrated from Benin. Now, what is the meaning of Akalaka? Is there any Benin chief during the time, any Benin royal family with the name Akalaka? Now, is there any Benin name called Akalaka? Because in the history of Benin, there is nobody called Akalaka in their family. Nobody. No Benin person is called Akalaka. So, is Akalaka a Benin name? You must know that not only Benin people are chiefs in the Benin palace then. So many tribes, many people from different tribes were in the Benin palace as chiefs. So many people in Benin palace then are Igbo people like Ezechime, Anaba, and so many others. Benin palace then is not only for Benin people, because their Oba included non-Benin people in his palace, in his cabinet of chiefs. Now, if you say Akalaka is a Benin person, what of Ochichi? Is Ochichi still a Benin name? No. Ochichi is an Igbo name. We know that Benin people don't have Chi in their name. That word Chi is not in Benin names. It's not in the alphabet. So, how is Ochichi now a Benin man? History never documented that Benin royal families married from Igbo land come begin to name their children Igbo name. You understand? So, Ochichi and his brother Akalaka are Igbo people. Only Igbos bear such name. He said that the reason why Akalaka ran away from Benin was because Oba said that no one should give birth to a son, this, that. Some Ikwerre people said that the reason why Akalaka left Benin was that Benin people accused him of plotting to kill the Oba of Benin to take over the throne. That's why he ran away. Now you start asking yourself this question. Was there any time where a Benin person planned to kill the Oba of Benin? No. It's only non-Benin people. That is the same way Ezechime was accused of planning to kill the Oba of Benin to take over the throne. That was the same way Akalaka was accused. And that's why he ran away from Benin with his brother Ochichi. What is the meaning of Ochichi? Ruler, leader, only Ochichi. Akalaka means destiny. These people are Igbo people, they are not Benin people. And that's why when they came, they are speaking Igbo language, not Benin language. All their culture and tradition, their deities, everything about them is Igbo, not Benin. He said that Wagidi, that founded Isiokpo, is a Benin man. It's not true. Wagidi is from Arochukwu. Isiokpo people know it. Any Isiokpo person tell you that Wagidi is from Benin, that person is lying. So all this claim that Ikwerre people claim that they are from Benin is just lies. Truth is not in that place. Ikwerre people are Igbo people, complete. If you watch the video very well, you will see where he said that Odegu and other communities that he founded migrated from Benin. It's a lie. Look at the name of those communities that he's calling. Rumu this, Rumu that. All those names that he just mentioned are all Igbo names. Even the places that they founded, all bear Igbo names. So what is this man saying? He said that those people don't trace their ancestry to present-day Southeast. Is Southeast the only place that Igbo language is being spoken? Every region that Igbo language is being spoken is Igbo land. So that Southeast mentality made these people to feel that it's only people from Southeast are Igbos. It's only people that migrated from Southeast are Igbos. It's a lie. We are all one people before the government started separating us, calling these people Southeast, calling these people South-South, calling these people Niger Delta. We are one people. Those ancestors you just mentioned, none of them is bearing a Benin name. If they say those ancestors they bear Adewale, now we go to say okay, now Yoruba person he be. Just to say Adewale say na Benin from Congo, no say na Yoruba person be this. There is no evidence at all to prove that Ikwerre people are from Benin. If you say that they migrated from Benin, what is the name of their father? Akalaka or Cheche. Are those names Benin names? No. Igbos have occupied Benin land before these Yoruba people called Benin came from Ile-Ife to invade that land. More than 1,000 years ago, Igbos have occupied Idu land. You understand? So any Igbo person who ran away from that place to this our present location is an Igbo person because they bear Igbo names and not Benin names. We have occupied that land. We are indigenous in that land. We are aboriginal in that land. So coming from that place to settle in our present location does not mean Benin ancestry or Benin origin. We are Igbos. The man said that Ikwerre people should stop giving admission to the Igbos, that they should stop giving scholarships to the Igbos. Just imagine, your own brothers, you are pushing your brothers away. If you like, put border, fence Ikwerre land, you remain Igbos. You are just shooting yourself in the foot. You remain Igbo people. Your enemies knows that you are Igbo. Asari Dokubo is there telling you people that you are Igbo that you should stop deceiving yourselves. Stop deceiving the coming generations of Ikwerre land. Even the Oba of Benin wrote in his book that Ikwerre people who are typical Igbos, and you are here forcing Benin identity on yourself. You must not migrate from the Southeast before you identify as an Igbo person. As far as your language, culture, and tradition is Igbo, you are Igbo. And there is no two ways about it. Igbo Bofu. All these Ikwerre elders that are coming out saying that Ikwerre people are not Igbo, spreading lies and propaganda, we will always be here to puncture those lies. We are here to open the eyes of every Igbo speaking person denying his Igbo identity. Igbo Bofu, and nobody can divide us. Ikwerre.